his younger sister.
Kylie.
On his tail.
Hi.
After a
Whoa, what is that over there? Go see it. Kylie, look. Yeah. In numbers. Where's that? What? Hey, weirdo. You can't see anything. Come on. Come on.
The room filled with iron cribs, the urine soaked mattress.
Come on.
The silver view.
Come on, let's go.
The car.
Come on. Come on. Whoa, it's slippery. Yeah, that? Be careful. Oh, come on. Let's see. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on. Let's go. Good girl. Oh, come on. You're okay. Come on. No, 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 not stairs. Kylie, 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 Kylie. Come on, this way. Whoops. No, we're not going to go upstairs. Come on, this way. Go see Grandpa. Come on. But no, 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 no. Kylie. No, come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Really? Come on. Come on, let's go. You see the baby? Tired. Come on. Kylie. Kylie. Come on. Tire's bigger than you are. Come on. Let's go see Grandpa. Come on. Come this way. Come this way. Kylie, Kylie, Kylie. 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 This way. Come on. Come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. She's right here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go.
You're gonna be a big girl, huh?
She walked all the way from in there. Come on. Let's go.
Hey.
Come on.
That's funny.
She's not even one yet.
Not even one yet. She's been one.
2.5 weeks. Come on,
Go get Grandpa.
Dad. She's walked all the way this way to come get you. Come on. Let's go.
She's so cute.
Come on.
So we done?
Come on. Kylie. Dad, call her.
Oh. Okay.
Kylie. Look, Grandpa. You got him. Go get him.
She says, I'm excited about that. This is carpet. I'm crawling. I'll walk on the slippery stuff. This is good.
Go get him.
We got one more working?
I don't think so. This has got a customer, but they're on like their 8th fucking test drive. Yeah.
Dad.
Hey, girl.
Mm-mm.